Welcome to a box break by TradeCardsNow.com, sponsored by Upper Deck. Today we have SP Authentic Football 08. 3 autograph cards per box. 5 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. Looking for that Matt Ryan auto, could be McFadden auto. Here we go. SP Authentic, I always like this product. We got a TO on the back. Okay, we'll start out with Tomlinson. Got Randy Moss, Decoy, Brady, Shockey, and T.O. Rivers, Marshawn Lynch, Chad Johnson, Jay Cutler, who's having some issues right now. Got a little offended about being traded, almost traded. Always come to TradeCardsNow.com, visit the boards, post your trade lists. Also can sell cards on the website. Talk sports, tell us about your favorite team. JT Sullivan, a little hard to read. Michael Turner. Oh, there's a Reggie Bush, Chad Pennington, McNabb, quarterback Pat, Aaron Rodgers, Trent Edwards, now has T.O. to throw to. Gonna be interesting seeing him on the Bills. Oh, here's a rookie, Dwayne Brown of the Texans, numbered out of 1399. Portis, super thick decoy cards. It's Bolden. Oh, we got a redemption for Otis Anderson Y.A. Tittle card. It's a dual signature. Excellent card. Remember watching Otis Anderson growing up. Oh, we got another rookie, Jamie Richard of the Colts. Tony Romo. This guy just makes me laugh. We still got 2 hits we're looking for. Vince Young. Oh, Reggie Smith of the 49ers. Oh. There's that Vince Young. Another rookie, Curtis Lofton of the Falcons. 4th rookie card. Looking for that Matt Ryan rookie. Oh, we got something thick. That is definitely not a decoy. Ronnie Brown. This is a rookie authentics. Dexter Jackson That auto is actually on the card, and that is a piece of patch right there. That is an awesome looking card. Always love to see them when they're actually on the card versus the stickers. We got one more hit in here. Oh, Braylon Edwards, Jamarcus Russell. Eli Manning. Oh. Brett Favre. Nope. Derek Anderson. Oregon State guy. Curry. Steven Jackson. Saw Torrey Holt got released. Big Ben. Carson Palmer. 3 more packs. Kurt Warner. Marcus Ware. Matt Schaub. Chris Cooley. Always has interesting stuff to say on his blog. We should have an auto in here. There's another rookie signature. Paul Hubbard of the Browns. Again, that is directly on the card. Get up on that. And that is numbered to 399. And Jason Campbell. Finish that up. Here's our 4th rookie. So 4 rookie cards. We got that dual auto redemption, rookie auto, and then our patch auto. So again, thank you for watching, and thank you Upper Deck for sponsoring this box break. These cards will be going out to the members of TradeCardsNow.com. Thanks again.